Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a tutorial on how you can download your CUD from the INPS website and from the Agenzia delle Entrate website. So first off, we'll be going to the INPS website to download the CUD. So sit back and watch this tutorial. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe for more videos. So to download from your INPS website, what you have to do is click on Entra in SPID. You can log in with your PIN, your SPID, your Carta d'identità elettronica, your testa sanitaria, but today we will be logging in with our SPID. If you don't know how to create your SPID, you can check it in one of my videos. I'll leave a link in the description box. So let's log in with our SPID. So now what I'm going to do is to scan my QR code. This is a very simple way for me to log in with my SPID. So now that I'm logged in, it's going to bring me to this home page, and I'm going to type in fascicolo previdenziale. I'm going to type in fascicolo, and as you can see, it's already giving me the full word, which is fascicolo previdenziale del cittadino. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to bring me to this page where they write cassetto previdenziale cittadino. And here in this menu there are different options, but the one we are really interested in is modelli. So you click on modelli and you click on certificazione unica. So after clicking on it, it's going to bring you to this page where you can choose the year you want to print. We have 2015, 2021. So now I'm just going to go ahead to just click any year. You can click the year you want. For now, the 2021 code is not yet ready, but when it's ready, you can simply come here to download your code. For you to download your code from the Agenzia delle Entrate website, you go to Google and you type Agenzia delle Entrate. After doing that, you click on the link, and it's going to bring you to this home page where you have to log in, but we will be logging in with our SPID. So now that we are logged in, I'm going to click on consultazione. I'm going to click right on it. They're going to bring me here. Then I click on cassetto fiscale. Click that as well, and it's going to bring me here. Then I go ahead to click dichiarazioni fiscali. So it's going to bring you to this Modello 730 page, but what we're interested in is our code, so we'll click on certificazione unica. Certificazione unica. So here you can click the year. These are the available years they have, the available dates they have, the year. It's the ones available are from 2018 to 2020. So for now, the one of 2021 is not out, but if you want to download it, just keep searching the website till when they will have the one of year 2020. I mean 2021. So now I'm just gonna go ahead to just click one of the links, the ones I need. So for you to download it, you click on stampa, that's print. you click on stamper, which means print, and right here you click on this save icon. You click on it and you can simply save it on your computer or your phone. You can also do this with your phone, guys. So this is these are the two ways you can download your code from the IMPS website and from the Agenzia delle Entrate website. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos. Like this video, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Share it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. You got me running. Shake it, baby.